Hello, this is day 19 of me trading. So yesterday I marked out like this structure right here. Um, I already showed it and explained it, but as you can see, price moved like in this range for a bit more right there. And after that it went up as I expected and beat like the previous high. It could be completely random. I don't know. I just kind of marked it out. Also, I don't know what I was doing today at 7 o'clock because I just woke up at 7 and I just checked the market. I don't know. And then I went to school. I couldn't take this trade right any trades right here because I was in school and I had like this lesson always on Thursday and Friday where I can't use like my iPad. On Thursday I technically can, but on Friday it's very hard for me to use it in that time. But then I wanted to take like the New York session trades, like from there to like there. But I think I waited a bit more until like here. But I didn't knew what to trade based off what to do. I don't know. Maybe it's just because I'm not as used to because I was like 1 week ill and couldn't find anything much like this, any confluences and everything, and that's why I don't know, in some Discord they are spamming in some codes every time. I don't know what codes, but they're just numbers. I know I need to mute this Discord. Um, and yeah, what I want to say, I cannot find any confluences. Like really, I know I should try more and try harder, everything, but I can't just go and I don't know, mark out every fair value gap that I find because I I can't just mark out fair value gaps and trades. It's not how it works. But one thing that I think I spotted here, I don't know, um, like an order block, but if I mark it from the bottom of this thing to the top of the wick, it's like very, very big. But yeah, I think I just marked it out in yellow because I always mark out my order blocks yellow. And then, price went down, it dipped in a bit here, and boom, went down, beat, beat this previous session low out. You can mark it right here. And then it went down, shot through this previous session low, and then went up again a bit. And it will close in a couple of hours. I think, I don't know where it was standing again. Yeah, 1 hour and 60 minutes, and then the market is closed on the weekend again. And yeah, that's why I can make a video to day tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Also, I need to learn a lot because I missed an exam while I was ill, and then I need to write it after the weekend. And in addition to that, I need to write the exams I had to write anyway. So that's kind of many exams coming up and everything. But as it's the weekend anyways, I can't trade and everything, so there's no point in that. And yeah, I don't think I have anything more to say. this could have been a good trade if I paid more attention. I don't know how I didn't saw it. I really don't know how I didn't saw it because I was clearly active at that time, from there to there I was and sitting there and watching, and yeah, sometimes I'm not like right there scrolling back and looking at some previous things I did and everything, and what I marked out and why I marked it out and such things. So not always 100% on the spot, but I can see the price on the right there. I can see when it like moves a lot, like when it's moved down here. Right there, I saw it because price was like there, moving there, and all of a sudden it was like down here somewhere, and I looked at it, but I don't know how I didn't saw this. I don't know. It could have been a very good trade because I probably would have set my stop loss right there, and it would have been my take profit. I mean, sorry, and my stop loss probably would be around here. So that would have been a very beautiful, clearly winning trade. But yeah, it is like it is. Better I just spotted a trade than and didn't took it than finding no trades and taking no trade. So I at least found something, I don't know. And yeah, I hope on Monday it will be better. I don't think there's anything more to say, much to say. Uh, I think I yapped enough, and I think that's it for today. So have a nice evening, have a nice weekend, and see you again on Monday. Bye bye.